He doesn't know that FlushTrash barcode is attached to his carry bag. Weird. Let's see what he gonna do. Let's see what will happen to him. He was like, right now he's running back for his own trash. This is what will happen. Good. Today he learned a great fun lesson, and he will never and ever throw plastic waste again in public place. Oh, that's nice. That resin of FlushTrash can attach to it. Well, can this reduce plastic waste automatically? Let us know in the comment. We are really excited to see what's your opinion in the comment. Alright then, hit the like button and follow us on Twitter, Instagram to boost the development of FlushTrash solution. Alright, see you soon.